So I just wanted to show you guys, I'm scraping the walls, getting some of the nasty off of it. I'm going to paint this. I'll put some white paint on it just to see how it does. I'm new to this, so I still got to do some peeling of this here back splash, I guess, wallpaper stuff. I've been using things that I've seen other people use on the channels that they share Gugon, and I'm also using this here crud killer. But I want to tell you, these windows were just filthy. This is after I cleaned part of it. Here's a window that really is pretty nasty. We're going to try to clean this up. I don't know. This is on the inside between the this top window and the bottom window, and we're trying to figure out, do we take it all apart by unscrewing these screws? I don't know. We're going to do some searches on the internet to see which is the best way to do it. Right now I'm just trying to get some of the nasty.